Okay. Sige man na po, i-check yun on dati sound. Andan ba sound? Andan ba? Alright. Sige. Here's a song sa lahat mga nanonood this time. Hello, good evening to everyone. It's your song from Don Seals. Hope you like it. And we just do enjoy music when we are in a troubled time like this. Always thought you were the best. Can't say always will. Always felt that we were blessed. I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always such true. I had only one friend left, wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave help and then sometimes we didn't care. Cause when we were together, the great dream comes true. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone stares me and knows me inside out. Hands keeps me together, believe without a doubt. But I can move the mountains, someone who sends good. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. When we were together, the great dream comes true. I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Alright, a song from Don Seals. Alright, I'd like to greet all the viewers tonight. Hello to Alejandro Hadormeo. Hello, sir. Good evening, too. Thank you for watching. To Vivian Estohuesta. Shout out, idol. Okay, shout out, Jan. Of course, to Kuya Will TV. Hello, kumusta? To Sir Charlie Lang Bisan Gumabay. Hello, sir. Kumusta? Hello to Mom Claire Polano. Thank you for watching. Yan eh. Akon Alanji Georgia ko, tapa. Music tape man.
House again tonight. I got the TV on, the sound turned down, and a bottle of wine. There's pictures of you and I on the walls around me. The way that it was and could have been surrounds me. I'll never get over you walking away. I've never been the kind to ever let my feelings show. let go of my pain. To hell with my pride, let it fall like rain from my eyes. Tonight I wanna cry. Would it help if I turned this sad song on all by myself? Would sure hit me hard now that you're gone. Or maybe unfold some old yellow lost love letters. It's gonna hurt bad before it gets better, but I'll never get over you by hiding this way. 'Cause I've never been the kind to ever let my feelings show. And I thought that being strong and never losing your self-control. But I'm just drunk enough to let go of my pain. To hell with my pride, let it fall like rain from my eyes. Tonight I wanna cry. I've never been the kind to ever let my fever show. I thought that being strong and never losing self-control, but I'm just drunk enough to let go of my pain. To hell with this pride, let it fall like rain from my eyes. Tonight I wanna cry.
Alright, the song from Peter Van Cold, Tonight I Wanna Cry. Okay, try naman natin ng kanta galing kay Colin Ray, One Boy, One Girl. Wanna give in to spells come she needed someone it should be. The crowded red Broadway poster waiting impatiently to walk in their eyes met. They would stare brighter than everyone else disappeared. The boy and girl to what's beating wild. But in my way it was love by first sight. Smile, smile, and you're right away. This was the day that I waited for your life. For the moment the whole world would go around one boy, one girl. Tomorrow he was standing there in front of the little church, in front of
This was the day that I waited for tonight. For the moment the whole world revolved around one boy and girl. It's all the year that when the doctors look up and green. Congratulations, means boy and girl, the hearts beating one. Would it might be it was love at first sight, but it's mine, it's mine. Can you ride away? This was the day that I waited for all through life. For a moment the whole world revolved around one boy, one girl. Alright, the song from Colin Ray called One Boy, One Girl. Already a song from Diamond Rio called One More Day. That's my heart, a crazy swing. Which was wrong just for me, could be for anything. Did it ask for money or imagine Malibu? Simply wish for one more day with you. One more day, one more time. One more sunset, baby, I'll be satisfied. But then again, I know what it will do. And we wish still one more day with you. Stick to these favorite times you grow. I'm blocked the telephone, keep the TV on. I hold your hand and say goodbye, say a million I love yous. It's what I do, one more day with you. One more day, one more time. One more sunset, baby, I'll be satisfied. But then again, I know what it'll do. We'll be wishing still one more day. Let me wish you still one more day. Let me wish you still one more day with you. Say, it's hey, hello.
Alright, there's a song from the Bee Gees called Rest Your Love on Me. Maybe you don't know me any more than I know you. And tell me if you walk away. I've been watching you all evening with the teardrops in your eyes. And it touched me this morning, I could say. I hate to think that someone would have hurt someone like me. And at times like this, I'll be right by your side. Lay your problems on your shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. It's your love, been a while. Your love in a while. So you in the car, and the moment I walk in, so you long face supposed to look. No one can get it the way you might have been. To be so soon. Look, I hate to think that someone would have loved you more than me. And at times like this, I'd be right by your side. Lay the problems on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. It's your love in a while. Lay your problems on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. It's your love in a while. How long must I wait when last wait to be there? And last just to go home. The thinking I was born too soon. How long had it the love you got in this town? And you love me. I just didn't know how it should be. Lay problems on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. It's your love in a while. Lay your problems on my shoulders, put your worries in my pocket. It's your love in a while. Oh, it's your love in a while. Halo Kuya Will, bang nagtatrabaho piman kit tagbibuya. Asan ba? Di ka jacket. On your song from Dance's Gold, I'd really love to see you tonight. I really love to see you tonight. Hell yeah, it's been a while. How about you? Not sure We could get together for a while. It's been such a long time, and it needed to miss your smile. I'm the time that I'm moving in, and I don't want to change your life. Cause I won't be about minutes to surround, and a little love seems tonight. We could go walking somewhere park, or take a drive along the beach. Stay at home and watch TV. It's really doesn't matter to me. I'm the time that I'm moving in, and I don't wanna change your life. Cause it won't be long, we just to surround, and there'll be the love seems tonight. I wanna spur promises to turn up tonight. We all play the game of fun till love you, till you mine. But I'm not moving, and I don't wanna change your life. There's won't be long minutes to surround, and a real love seems tonight. I'm talking about moving in, and I don't wanna change your life. There's won't be long minutes to surround, and a real love seems tonight. Alright, break muna tayo. Okay, pa-music tayo ng another country songs here. Cold rock.
Our hearts have been to battle, our souls have been to war. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. Was it we that said that this could never happen to us? How wrong could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken down affair, so sad to see.
Hello to John's HD namit ko di host. Kano nga taday ta, sir? Ang kumalagip dita ah. Anyway, nice to see you again. Sige, tambay-tambay tayo jamming tayo dito niya. Sige. Alright, I'd like to try a song from Brian White Cole, I'm Not Supposed to Love You Anymore, dedicated to John's HD. Yan. Sige. Salamat, taanda ka. Nice to see you again. Over that lives have all been wrong. The vows we made begin to fade back, now they're gone. With the strangers in a shoebox and my gold ring in a drawer. I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Sharon says just jealous of the freedom that I've found. She would be out of the town. And to say she can't imagine what on earth I'm ready for. I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Why should I get wonder how you are? That I can hide this hurt inside my broken heart. I'm finding my emotions that I've never thought before. 'Cause I'm not supposed to love you anymore. I'm writing this letter, asking me tonight. Did I agree to believe in what's right? Could have sleep out on the bed, so I'm down here on the floor. I'm not supposed to love you anymore. Why should I get wonder how you are? That I can hide the hurt inside my broken heart. I'm fighting back emotions Ma'am Nelly Soliman. Hello, Ma'am. Kumusta? Alright, move. Sige, terapadas kung magkanta ti na? Kahit titikan ka na kan ka na isong padas kung magkanta. Ikan ka na isong. Para kanya yung aming abroad, adayo, ya, anusa. Ano na? Bagay patinggalan Pulos sa labang ninang Di pansinan ka Luluwan ang mata Nananagsian Tatawa din Sa'y kanang Malaylayan Tarigan mo mamisan Lumas asa ka Napnunan naragsa ka Bagay patinggalan Lusadang inem-nem Ipansinan ka Lumaminsan di kinapobre Hinay-ilahe Awadin sa'y kanam Ay-ay Magay-rig na An-arusa sakit di malaylayan. Alright, late ni Daniela Ikalinga. Yan na po. Sige, share mo tap mo. Mabuhay aming nakakadua tayo aming. Yan eh. Sige, another Igor song over here. Adagay ang nga sinumrak song mo kayo apo ta ganganas dikit eh. Yeah. Sige, nagana. Batawa, sige. Nung bastun san batawa si asay eyak naman pusi-pusi naman ko problema kasi ay panalo sa ringkahan may daksin mo pulos mainong bayat sa amon sustungan tanua day kasing siya ay palasang yan adi kapupug sa itulagan nan na ay dawat ko sabay kumakundus ako kasumbatan na ay dawat ko yan anak tibak ng di kagasat ko Diyak na inulawan nangibagbaga Laya't kukumisik ay kutuwan Diyak na inulawan ay nangibagbaga Laya't kukumisik ay kutuwan The song from the group song called Batawa. Okay, another Igur song over here. Okay lang ba, Igurot? Hello to Bisayang Putot. Thumbs up. Shout out Sisi Koy Putot. Salamat. Press back. Ayan eh. Sige. Ay, Ilocano ni Bisayang Putut. Ay, well, sige. Mawata na ba ti igurot kan kanai? Baka nang makatarus. Mawata ma'am ti ba? Ti kan igurot songs. Alright, here's a song from the igurot song called Kamanina. Manlulusan mata umanging tila isakit na damdamin manubugaw sa rita nagdamag sa ayaw ay naniniwala pa sa napalamas sa oras ng kukuyog tayo Sandaya na ikatabon siligod dilibuot san sakit puso ay kamaninipit di bato nasasayan ibubugaw iwanas na linatan magang sindagem wapay nga manila Tempo Kumarkaro tumiliw ko Gambang mo Kagay maga Ayatitan Manila Kanayon ay ikat Pagkarap ko Mahala sisama Sino man din pantungam Nasa iyon Panagsakan Sandaya na Nagsasayang di bukaw, liwalas ng inatan, bagong sinadem, luwapay nga pamana. Kamana. Ayaw adi hanak samit pinasyaran kabsat ka. Tiyam mo ko dyan skit namit ko si ka MJK, am I right? Sa MJK di sir. Pabritum samot pa na di si Siwit nga ka request di. Anyway, here's another love song over here. Trying to Get Over You by Vince Hill. Hello to Abra Kadabra. Hello sir. Kumusta? Our song from Vince Hill called Trying to Get Over You. You could have given me millions reasons why that would have changed the thing. You said it all and said goodbye to call your wedding ring. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you, but I've been dying to get it done. All my friends keep trying to fix me up. Said I need somebody new. When it comes to love, oh, not even love. It's like only nothing without you. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. I've been dying to get it done. I've been trying to get over you. I've been spending time alone. I've been trying to get over you. I've been dying to get it done. I've been dying to get it done. All right, hello to Jade's Angel. Hello, kumusta? Hello to, and of course, to San Ewang Ticol de Riera. Hello, sir. Or you to Jade Angel, to Honey and J Blacks. Hello. Alright. Salamat kanya amin. Ang agan anos nga buya. Okay, it's another song from Vincil called Look at Us. Look at Us. Look at Us. Yung salamat ko rin kini Daniel Kay. Awis. Look at us. After all these years together, look at us. After all that we've been through, look at us. Still leaning on each other. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. Look at you. Still pretty as a picture. Look at me. See face still overdue. Look at us. Still living in forever. If you wanna see how true love should be, then just look at us. Beating heart over the years from now, I know without and doubt, they all look back and wonder how we made it all work out. Chances are we'll go down in history when they wanna see how love should be. Then just look at us. They want, then just look at us. All right, thank you, thank you. All right, here's another song from Brian White called "God Gave Me You." Hello to Claire Basilio also watching. Salamat, Jake's Angels. Thank you for the compliments. Ag Pablo, kasunod Ag Pablo. For all the times I failed to see them, I complain. No love to come for all the wrongs I'll be feeling. Those who blame stickers that way. Did it have a friend? Did it have a friend? And out of the blue, it's gonna give you. Show me what's real. This is more to life than just how I feel. And all that I'm worth is kind of on my eyes. All that I live for, I didn't know why. No, I do. It's gotta be you. For all the times it's all myself feeling like a fish or up up in that bird. You're every that sound so I still want to be. Now you knows the quivers in my soul. Every doubt I have, I finally be. I truly believe it's God gave you. Show me what's real. There's more to life than this how I feel. And all that I'm worth is right on my eyes. All that I live for, I didn't know why. Why don't I do? It's got me in arms of something. Every time it gets from you. Oh, must confess in that it's gotta be you. Show me what's real. That's what you like. Just how I feel. All that I'm worth is not for mine. All that I live for, I didn't know why. No, I do. Sky gave God gave me you. Sky gave me you. Sky gave me you. Alright, a song from Brian White. Okay, okay. Ayan na, nag-jacket na ako. All right, here's another song from the very request you ako. Okay, in case you didn't know, you from Breath Young. I can count the times when you say what's on my mind, but I didn't. Just the other day, I've done all the things to say that I couldn't, just couldn't. Baby, you know that you've been wanting. To me, it's nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. Namumulaling if I say that I could live this life without you, even though I will tell you on the side behind my heart a long, long summer ago. In case you didn't know. The way you look tonight, saying that's fine, you didn't. There was something about that piece, the girl you gave me in, got me thinking, I'm thinking. One of the things that I've been feeling, it's time to hear it. Things you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. I wouldn't lie if I said that I could leave this life without you. No, I won't tell you all the time. On my heart, long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got all of me. I belong to you. Yeah, you are my everything. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. Mapupulaling if I say that I could live this life without you, even though I don't tell you all the time. You have my heart long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. All right, hello to Sir Gerard Makasay. Thank you for joining us. Hello to Abra Kadabra. All right. All right, sabay ko mag-agbas-basa. All right, hello to Gerard Makaset. Hello, thank you for watching. To Charlie Umabay, of course. To Jade Angel, yeah. I guess nabasa ka minsan nagituyen. Kalau tsuri ko na makapailang kalambagin na mautakin lolo YouTube. Yan eh. Kamsakan ako, host J. Dumigit na din ako sa iyo. Thank you. Hello, Gerard mo kasi. Tapos, okay na, okay na. Na-i-press ko na yung ano. Ayun. Okay na. Okay, thank you. Para ka naging in love.
It's an ordinary song, special girl like you. Sumugay, so in love with you. Show diamonds, no gold to go. You can ever find yourself out of all games you play, and the world seems so unfair. It can hard me to say sometimes that I'm into this ordinary song. It's the ordinary song, special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, so in love with you. I don't even have the lips to make you last my way. The clothes I wear made it seem so absurd. Deep inside me is you. You give life to what I do. All these years we've shared its view. Still I'm waiting here for you. Too hard times that I've been to this ordinary song. It's the ordinary song, the special girl like you. I'm a simple guy, so in love with you.
Alright, it was some love song called Ordinary Song. Alright, Jan. Connected di MG. Pero right now, mamimiss ko din set night ng tatawan ti pagigigan mi. Maybe until next year, I want people gig mi hanggang mamaling nga makagig tiruar. So online na ta. Awanin ti trabaho. Ang request ko lang ako nun, dati mo tsamba ang request yung amok, I will perform. Ay, si kamot ng Kuya Will, ito yung Abracadabra, yan eh. Padasok mga kanta di request, ay di kanta mga intid mo kanya. Di man bibinadang tako ko na. This is a song from Kuya Will TV. Compose na piman dati nga intid na kanya. Sana'y biyak ako sa naglabaw di dagat at adok kay ba san pa nila sa tanan bigat si pangyagya at adu'y problema basta kung ay isang parais man pamilya dadong pairitan adika matanagan wadas ka punya adi tumaytay na maneset ako pakuat en makilago dawadasan iyat ng awak ay matago mambibil na ng takuya mag-isa man tinulong man asiminag baga ito ang tapos gusto sa iibang taadida kumain matupal silawa nakayong abay wadang sa gobyerno aben man serbisyo ipatungpal yung amagan yung di gusto kasay nagpili takuan man progreso apumi ay waday daya umustong ka umidawan ka si salon at iapitsa namanes ka sa kami yakurnos di mawada kasay naransa kami si inggana mambibil na ng takuya mag-isa man tinulong man asiminag baga ito ang tapos gusto sa liitan taadida kumahon matumpang silawa taadida kumahon matumpang silawa. Here's an original song by Kuya Will TV. Intend na piman kanya ka composition. Thank you Kuya Will TV for that song. Someday soon makantak to iti ko secret. Hello to Daddy Rolls, sir. Hello, sir. Bravo. Salamat. Ikaksi ka ti jacket mo. Hello, Daddy Rolls. When Kuya Will, agkolab tanto. Katak lang ang makanta rito yung nga, mamibinda ng tong, adadagi mga phrasing na unay kong, sige lang. Kahit ko lang kakanta. Sige, let's enjoy music. Kaya ito si Siwit. Here's an Kalinga song over here, the most popular song of this time. Si Siwit. Ano na to? Parang nationwide na. From Baguio to Ilocos down to Mindanao. Sige, sisiwit tayo Sige, agsalag tayo na giginan. Nagigit na agsalag lata niya. Awat kong dinugmaan, kung kaay alaman. Talay ko taang baan, sisiwit ko na atapan. Bukad mo ako manyo, kukayanan ni mayo. Sunaan mo sa kung sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Tumawak, ibulong ko. Sumulat, luwag ang anyo. Kasako, bilang paa mo. Imoy kong binisita, ikaw di sumbot na. Nagiulog si Dua, maamham siya. Lumion yung maamham mo, mampakatatago. Sunaan mo sa buong sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Lumawak, ibulong ko. Sumulat, luwag naman yun. Kasano, di na paamo. Everybody, one more time. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Lumawak, ibulong ko. Sumulat, luwag naman yun. Kasano, di na paamo. Kasano, di na paamo. Alright, that's how Kalinga song, Sisiwit. At thank you, Daddy Rolls, for watching. Di ba, dita ko niya, practice tanto DJ request mo minsan. Ang kunay kabisado digi ko ngay, digi, nagana, Reiki songs, because man host di ay Kalinga Dead Dreadlock Rastaman. Ibalita, ikarigatak ko nga practice next time niya, sir. Hello to Hans Ruth. Thank you for watching. Yan sige, bigyan kita ng jacket. Pa-share ka naman na Janjans. Tita Buk. Pansama tinintag biyahe kami nin. Ayan mo yata ta, sir. Ako si kami kita ti Facebook kanayon ako ng Aglay Bijay. Yes sir, taga Kalinga anak, proud to be Kalinga. Tabuk City, Bulanao. Half Kalinga and Abra, taga-Abra sa San Juan, Tagaytay Abra ni father ko. Tapos Kalinga ni mother ko. So, proud to be Kalingafornian guy. Nagpa-share rin to dito yun, adak tiyempo ng tungan na waya. Mayat ito eh. Tapos, ewan to ni Jan Jans. Na-meet ko ni Jan Jans ito eh. The MJK Resto Bar. Hello, hi, thanks, Hans Ruth. Hi, thanks, I do. Pa-shout out sa mga amin nga ipgaw. Iteten tahumugo pa. May tinga kanta nga eh. Kanta ni Tiof. Adati barkada nga singer mat lang dito kilinggan ko. Teofilo Ahikot. Taga-Braga yung mom. Alright. Alright, here's another song from most popular song here in Kalinga also, Iskwelaan. Dedicated para sa mga taga-Ifugao. Dansong Iskwelaan. All right. Ay, naikamang katitinglayan. Okay, yan kamat lang sumilya, sir. Pagkapita nakita siguro ni Apu Wangod. Pasya kayo doon dito tabok sentro. Dakampi sentro. Thank you, Hans Mayat also. Mayat ba? Sige, i-request ko lang di FB ta pa niya. Ag mo to di ag the jamming to di. Ite tem tahum gepak. Kuna nagayam ya Kuya Will TV. Awin, agre kata adalat di ta kantaot. Bulakbol, yan eh. Sayang girl, chat pa naman siguro niya. Umawon tayo nga mag-jam-jamming. No, amo tayo lang kumaidi. O ane, anto yung aware, so... Sige, pagluluan tayo nga jamming. Alright, here's another song from Colin Ray called Love Me. Love Me. Can't you love me? Nana? Okay. Or I told you so. Love me latan. Okay lang. Chillax ka lang, Daniela. Ikalingan niya. Kamatan. Yan eh. Basta agaw-awis ka ti agbuy-buya tapno kakadwa tayo. Tapno nagangganas. Humgop ka. Humgop. Bakit ko Sumret. Thank you, Daddy Rolls. Back to work, sige. Take your time, sir. Thank you for the time that you share.
But it's gone. I'm a cabin in this cold, and sure you know what's to me. It's a boy you might not understand, and long, long ago. I'm starting in the light, Lord, and when I loved you, grab my soul. No, I'll never survive on my
just a dream. Tomorrow long I'll be, but I'm not gonna let you down. I'm waiting to see we can be down there. Let's see you get out of love with you. Let me. Alright, a song from Colin Rico, Don't Love Me. Alright. Nakakawala ng pagod, music life talaga, idol. Alright. True. Without music, we cannot live, di ba? So, pagliliwan tayo ito jamming tapno, naganganas tibiyag ay kananda. Hello to Andal Tatis within. Salamat, sir. Ma'am. Salamat, ma'am, for watching. Sige, bigyan kita ng sweater. Guys, keep on sharing to our community. Pekten, salamat. Yan eh. Here's another song from Colin Rico, Literal. When I know these spirits are in motion, and along the way I lost me and you. Needed any time I knew stop. Service yours, the guides those one mark. Often I'm thinking not to haste. My eyes are clear and bright without the haze. Like the preacher from the church of Christ. Sorry that I cried when I talked to you last night. I think I'm on a roll here in Toronto. Sorry about a stormy days. You could just watch my from here in Toronto. Without you, baby, I'm not me. I don't know why hell you don't inside. In this heart, I thought I'd never leave it right. You know your daddy told me when I'm there. Sorry that I cried, but don't forget. I think I'm on a roll here in Toronto. Sorry that it's not in days. You just watch my brother here in Toronto. Without you, baby, I'm not me. Lying here by this lonesome bed. The thoughts of you exploding in my head. Like a castle built in my song from Colin Ray called Little Rock. Yan. Alright, maybe I will do last two more songs before I will end up my break up na lang beat man. With okay, here's a song from Perfect Stranger. You have the right to remain silent.
Can I have this dance? My you looking pretty. Is there something wrong? Did he leave you hurting? I don't mean to pry, but that tear in your eye gave you away. If you don't wanna talk, we'll keep it quiet. But sometimes the heartache hurts worse if you hide it. I think there's a chance one slow dance might ease the pain. You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say, as I hold you against me, will forever be a secret between us two. I've been wanting you, but you didn't know it. And now that he's gone, at last I can show it. If your heart is tired for the rest of your life, lay your love on me. So many times my eyes have held you. Tonight, please give my arms that chance. If you don't feel the need for conversation, we'll just let our hearts talk while we dance. You have the right to remain silent. Anything that you say, 'cause I want you against me, will forever be a secret between us two. I've been wanting you, but you didn't know it. And now that he's gone, at last I can show it. If your heart is tired for the rest of your life, lay on me. If your heart is tired for the rest of your life, lay your love on me.
Alright, the song from Perfect Strangers, Little Rock. Hello to Margie Haramilia. Hello, hello ma'am. Kumusta? Kung basa ako ito damdaman niya, naman pasti ko niya. John Jones. Basa ako ito damdaman naman pasti live ko. Maybe after two songs. That di Kaskas Street. Okay, here's a song from Garth Brooks. Sometimes late at night, I'll wake up while sleeping. later in the dark. And a thought crosses my mind. Even then wake up in the morning, she gave out everything about me in my heart. If tomorrow never comes, you know how much I love her. Did you try that name? Show that name. To smile on the wall. And if I'm on my virtue, she must face this world without me. Still love gave her me bus. Gonna be enough to last. Tomorrow never comes. The sun was once there in my life, and then knew how much love then. Not only there against the match to be this home, but never begin. I made a promise to myself to stay how much things to be. And avoid a circumstance where there's no second chance. Instead of how I feel, and if tomorrow never comes, it's not much to love her. You can try that name, show everything, just smile on the wall. And the bad time on the virtue, there's so much space in this world without the love I gave her in the past. Could it be enough to last? Tomorrow never comes. Still it's someone that you love, just party you're thinking of. Tomorrow never comes. Hello to Sir Paul, John Paul Ganti. Medyo nalit ka nga sinumurat. Kumusta di sound card mo, JB8 card mo? Anyway, salamat pa rin. I'd like to do my second to the last song for we will end off my live stream. Original sing. Sige. This thing the lights around me, all the paper angels, into little devils on the roof. All the birthdays is a gleaming rings about your face in the loud old face. thinking in this place. It gets leaves till I hang up for you and you look at me. Your face, those eyes, only see from as you slip inside. Tell me how you know now the ways in me is getting there. I'm good with basking. You were always smile into the same. So why shine sun every time we begin this dangerous game? You were always smile into the same. I'm gonna fly the moment that you open up your eyes. It's just a little moves from every corner of your life. Everybody on your lips are bleeding for your head. Won't see other pieces. The silent lies they don't understand. Still I have a fire when you look at me. The face, those eyes, and the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting there. I'm moving by ski. You will always smile to the same. Summer wine shine outside every time we meet. This dangerous game. Would you run on and smile to the same? Alright, nag-break tayo pagbasit niya. But anyway, I will play some music over here. Thank you, John Paul Ganti. Kakon sikat jacket na po ang ganas niya. Umayak to dito tabok numayat tempo. Sure guys. Yes sir, welcome here anytime. Yes, hello to Gerard Makasay. Hello. Nagpa-music kata niya. Nabisinak eh.
I like the way sparkling earrings lay against your skin so brown. And I wanna sleep with you in the desert tonight, with a billion stars all around. 'Cause I got a peaceful I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. And I found out a long time ago what a woman can do to your soul. All but she can't take you anyway. You don't already know how to go. And I got a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing on the ground. I get this feeling I may know you as a lover and a friend, but this voice keeps whispering in my other ear, tells me I may never see you again, 'cause I get a peaceful, easy feeling, and I know you won't let me down, 'cause I'm already standing. I'm already standing. Yes, I'm already standing on the ground. Whoa.
You don't know me, but I know who you are. Mind if I sit down? Do I look familiar? If I don't, well, I should. I'm sure you've seen me around. I know you've probably heard my name, though we've not been introduced. I'm the fool in love with the fool who's still in love with you. If you've got a minute, I'll buy you a drink. I've got something to say. It might sound crazy, but last night in his sleep, I heard him call out your name. This ain't the first time he's done it before, and it's hard to face the truth. I'm the fool with you. I know love is a fragile thing, and I'm trying hard to make it last. But it ain't easy holding on to my dream when he's holding on to one more thing before I go. I'm not here to put you down. You don't love him, and that's a fact. Girl, I've seen you around. That you hold his heart in the palm of your hand, and it's breaking mine in two. 'Cause I'm the fool in love with the fool who's still in love with you. I'm the fool in love with the fool who's still in love with you.
Our hearts have been to battle, our souls have been to war. We've lost the will to carry on. We don't believe no more. Or was it we that said that this could never happen to us? How wrong could we be? 'Cause baby, here we are, victims of love, a broken down affair. So sad to see the debris scattered everywhere. Victims of love, still cannot believe we're the victims of love. We cannot retreat. It used to be so easy. It used to be so good. We had an understanding that got misunderstood. I thought we were survivors and we never would go down. But now we're just outsiders as our love comes tumbling down. Victims of love, a broken down affair. So sad to see the debris scattered.
Lagi madlaw ko nga talaga, puro tayo kaya J. Puro tayo J. Yan eh. Anyways, thank you for joining me for this time. So, tuloy tayo manunubigat niya. So, bye-bye and God bless to all of you guys. Salamat sa oras.